And we are following breaking news in Norwich, a nursing home ordered to close.
The closure order means that residents will be moved to other facilities beginning this week.
The embattled Three Rivers nursing home in Norwich will shut down.
Now, this decision comes weeks after a coronavirus outbreak plagued that facility, and the state then stepped in.
Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Mike Savino is live in Norwich tonight with the very latest on this. Mike.
Yes, and Aaron and Mark, the state saying that this was a very difficult decision for them to make, but a new temporary manager who was put in place just last week says that the problems were just too deep and there was no way to bring the facility back into compliance by a September 30th deadline. Now, the state began investigating Three Rivers after a coronavirus outbreak that started a couple weeks ago. Since July 24th, 21 residents and 6 staff members have tested positive for the coronavirus. At least 4 of those patients have died, according to the Department of Public Health. The Department of Public Health then began reviewing the facility and found a number of problems with its protocols for containing this outbreak. That's when they put this temporary manager in place. And again, that manager saying today that the problems ran just too deep. Things like not having a sufficient staff, also having a lack of training for that staff and just no time to fix those problems. So now this order means that all 53 residents within that nursing home will have to be transferred to facilities within 15 miles. They will be given priority to help them get placements, but this is going to take some time. 17 residents still remain getting treatment for the coronavirus, and another 7 are under observation to see if they do in fact test positive at some point. Another nearby nursing home will take in those 17 patients to help contain the virus so that the others can be transferred safely. But of course, the state says that this is a decision that just had to be made.
I've never served in a facility that I did not believe I could bring into timely compliance.
We believe that most of Connecticut's nursing homes are well positioned to manage these outbreaks.
There are enough fine facilities with a significant number of beds available that it's likely that most, if not all, residents will be able to go to their first choice home.
Now, the union representing these employees just put out a statement blaming the Department of Public Health, saying that they did not respond quickly enough to fix these problems. You can read more of that statement on our website. Meanwhile, JAAC Healthcare owns another facility in Windham. The Department of Public Health won't say whether or not they're doing an investigation or planning a visit, but they do say they want to make sure that the facility is safe. Live from Norwich, Mike Savino, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.